Day 4 of the United Nations Open Source Week was all about DPI, Digital Public Infrastructure. And if you're wondering what that is, governments have always been responsible for public infrastructure, kind of like this train station that I'm standing in. So train stations, roads, airports, they provide the infrastructure for it, the regulations around it, and make sure it's accessible to people. So digital public infrastructure refers to things like digital identity, or just identity in general, payment systems, things that the government provides and regulates for the people of their country. At the United Nations, the focus was all on how do we enable creating these DPIs in affordable, open, accessible ways, and open source was almost seen as a necessity in making sure that these systems were open. Also, there was a lot of focus on how do we enable collaboration and interoperability between these systems. And most of the conversations centered around the Caribbean, South America, and Africa. With Africa being seen as one of the areas that has been leading in the space. And they talked about how Africa is leading mobile first and has a big interoperability challenge with all of the countries in Africa to make their systems work together. So really interesting conversation on how open source can help our governments create digital public infrastructure. More later.